Hello, everyone! Today, you will explore how to generate and manage test data for your test cases. In this video, we'll talk about the manual ways of creating test data. However, it's also possible just to import it. And in Aqua, you can use a data-secure AI copilot for generating your test data in seconds. All the examples we will discuss in this video will be shown on the example of Aqua, a test management tool with reusable test cases and AI features to streamline your project's testing process. Consider Aqua if these features meet your needs. Check out the link below for more details. Step 1. Prepare your data based on test cases and requirements. We created a new folder with some test cases. You can see some examples we used to validate the IBAN field. They include length, format, etc. Then put your data into the system either by importing or creating it manually. AI-based test data generation from your test case or even a requirement is going to be presented soon at Aqua. Stay tuned! Step 2. Add and use placeholders in the test steps to auto-use and auto-replace the data from your data set in the test case. This allows dynamic use of your test data during test runs and the test execution process. Step 3. Reuse the test data from one test case in other test cases. Instead of copy-pasting and duplicating these data sets, just connect your existing test data from another test case, and you're ready to run it. If you want to explore the ways how to organize test cases for maximum reusability, watch one of our previous videos on this topic. Check the link below. Step 4. Track the dependencies between the test data and the affected test cases that use it. When you need to edit your test data, you'll know what test cases will be affected. In Aqua, it is very easy to trace these dependencies in one click by using the dependencies diagram. Step 5. Add test cases for every value in your test data set. In Aqua, it can be done with a single click. Instead of adding a test case again, you can just select your test case and click Add Missing Value Sets. There it is! All possible cases are now covered, including positive, negative, and edge cases. If you're looking for ways to supercharge your testing process, we've got just the thing for you. Aqua will always offer new and innovative solutions, allowing you to reduce the time spent on routine testing tasks by up to 70%, and giving you the space to focus on what's really important. Get started with your account today and see for yourself.